I did something crazy. I left my full-time, very successful massage practice to pursue online fitness coaching. And because it's kind of a weird job, I get asked a lot about how I started and how I became successful. The trials and tribs and how I ended up making a living helping high-achieving successful women who are struggling with fat loss and frustrating symptoms like inflammation, gut health, and exhaustion finally lose the belly fat and feel amazing in their bodies. I know what to do and what not to do. So if you've ever considered becoming an online fitness coach or even just wondered about how it looks behind the scenes, I can walk you through exactly how to get started in this video. I have lost over 100 pounds in my life, and I was an athlete as a kid. Back in 2015, my family and I got into a really bad bus accident in Mexico, and that ended my soccer career. So throughout high school and pretty much all the time after high school, I partied and I coped with my mental health issues with food. And one day I woke up at 230 pounds. So eventually I ended up finding keto. I lost about 100 pounds and I fell in love with nutrition and fitness. And just naturally, because I had lost 100 pounds, people started asking me about my diet and how I was losing the weight. And because I ended up being my circle's go-to about nutrition and weight loss, I decided to become a coach. I took my Precision Nutrition Level 1 and my ISSA personal training certification, and they taught me so much about nutrition and exercise. But when it came to working with actual human beings, I found the application of that material a little bit harder. Because at this point, I was still running a full-time massage practice. I was doing this as a hobby to make a little bit of extra money. So the systems I had in place weren't really working for me because I was often exhausted. But luckily for me, as I was building up my coaching practice, I found the Nutrition Coaching Academy. And honestly, I was a little bit skeptical because I already had the certifications and I didn't really need any more nutrition information. But I also knew that the current system that I was using was not working for me. There was absolutely no way that I could scale my business and actually make it a full-time job without it taking up even more of my time. So I signed up. And I'm so glad I did. It was probably one of the best decisions I have ever made. They do have nutrition and fitness information that they teach you, but on top of that, they teach you how to actually market yourself, how to talk to your ideal client so you can more effectively help people. I also learned how to organize and scale my business with super simple systems that make the check-in process and the onboarding process completely seamless so it doesn't take up a lot of your time. So eventually, because everything was running a lot smoother, I was able to take on more clients. They taught me how to charge more money for less of my time, how to more effectively help people, and build out the actual coaching process that is built for working with real human beings. So while I was working through the program, I knew that once I onboarded a client, I was confident that I could get them results, as long as they followed the program. I was still working with the NCA when I got married in 2022, and one of the coolest things that I was able to do with my coaching business was actually pay for my wedding with the money that I had made coaching people. That was the turning point for me where I realized I could actually make this a job. My clients were actually seeing great results. I was working way less hours and I was making more money. This is one of the best jobs in the world. And so if you are interested in becoming a nutrition coach, check out their channel. I'll put a link in the description, and trust me, they will help you skip all of the mistakes that I made when I was first starting my nutrition coaching practice. So today, coaching is my full-time job and it is double what I ever thought it could be. So if you want to learn more about what the day-to-day looks like and what's actually possible, definitely stick around. We always share a lot of great resources on how you can get started on your own nutrition coaching business. And if you're interested in learning more about what my process and strategy looks like, I will also drop some details in the description below. But here's what the process looks like. A big part of my coaching process is based around stress and the nervous system because it is so influential in our ability to stay consistent with our habits. And when we have chronically high cortisol and nervous system dysregulation, it causes a downstream effect in most women's bodies that show up as seemingly random symptoms. Things like overwhelm, cravings, inflammation, gut health issues, exhaustion, and weight gain that occurs no matter what they do. So most of the women I work with are high achieving, successful, busy women, 35 plus, who have demanding jobs or own businesses, and they usually feel like they have it all together in their lives, but for some reason, they just cannot seem to lose the weight and actually feel better. So once a client comes to me, I always do a comprehensive intake. I have them fill out an intake form that takes about 15 to 20 minutes to fill out. And this gives me extensive information on what their day-to-day looks like, what their stress levels look like, day-to-day activities, workouts, family life, responsibilities, and any health history, because all of these things impact how their physiology is going to work within the coaching system. And I never give generic cookie cutter plans. Everything is individualized and based on the person, their capabilities, and their capacities at that specific time. So then I get them to track 3 to 5 days of their food with an app called Chronometer. So there I can analyze any deficits they may have with nutrients and get a baseline of where their calories are so I can meet them where they're at. And my premium coaching includes a comprehensive blood work panel with Naya Health. They analyze over 60 plus biomarkers and they compare them against optimal levels. This gives us a really clear look and a deep insight into what's going on inside of their physiology. Because most women come to me having having had their blood work done, and they're told that everything is normal, even though they feel very much not normal. So Naya Health clinicians and I look at this through a lens of preventative health. Standard panels are looking for disease, so they're measuring your markers against the average. Naya Health takes 3 to 4 times the biomarkers than a standard panel, plus they compare it against optimal levels. So average is a range. Optimal levels is where you feel a change. So this is the piece of the puzzle that helps us get a super clear picture on what's going on inside of their bodies that most standard panels miss. So once I have all of that information, I create a completely personalized plan that is built in 3 phases. So the first is always stabilization, and this is the one that most women miss. Most women will jump right to fat loss, and that is kind of the equivalent of trying to build a house on top of sand. The stabilization phase is meant to help support hormones, optimize metabolism. We look at where you are currently with your biomarkers, with your lifestyle, with your nutrition needs, with your capacity, and we match your plan to make sure that you don't feel overwhelmed. No more cooking separate meals, no more avoiding eating out or certain foods, and no more following a rigid meal plan. You start sleeping deeper, waking up with energy, and actually build a healthy relationship with food. And then step 2, which is fat loss. Now that we've built a really stable foundation, the fat loss portion works exactly how you think it should. We do refinement of macronutrients. We do specific periodized training to make sure we're supporting your hormones and your metabolism so you don't burn out. And week by week, your clothes start feeling better, you start feeling more confident, you start feeling stronger, and you're still eating all the foods that you love. There's no restriction here. And the third phase, another one that most women miss, is consolidation. Most women will try and live in a calorie deficit for like 17 years, and this causes a whole lot of health problems. So in the consolidation phase, we are phasing you out of tracking. We are bringing your calories back up to maintenance. We cement the new routines and we cement the new identities that we built along the way, and this new lifestyle just becomes your new normal. You feel energetic, your sleep has improved, you feel control over your schedule. You have actually lost the weight, and most importantly, you know exactly how to navigate your health, eating, exercise, and how to prioritize yourself through the busiest and most chaotic parts of your life without abandoning yourself along the way. So you get to stop dieting, stop thinking about food constantly, and stop feeling like your body is broken. All of my clients track their progress through my app. They input their weight, their measurements, they track their daily habits. This is where they find their training, and this is where we communicate. This helps us build consistency because we see progress week by week. And my weekly check-in system is designed to allow us to work together as a collaboration to make adjustments when needed. We evaluate what is working and also what is not working. And we come up with a plan to navigate the upcoming week to make sure they feel confident in tackling whatever chaos comes their way that week. This helps the client feel supported, but it also helps them learn how to navigate their own life. It helps them spot coping mechanisms, how to recognize roadblocks and then adjust the plan along the way. So instead of falling off track every time they get stressed out or overwhelmed, they stay consistent. And these weekly check-ins are so important for accountability, for measuring progress, but a reflection of the week and celebrating the wins. Because we don't change by feeling bad, we change by feeling good. Because I am never looking for perfection. It doesn't exist. So we talk about things like, what did you do a little bit differently this week that you wouldn't have done before? Like a quick, easy meal instead of choosing takeout. Going out to a restaurant and not eating a whole plate of food. Missing the gym but going for a walk instead. And of course, non-scale victories like more energy, better mood, sleeping better, and clothes fitting better. Because there is a lot of information out there. So this can cause a lot of confusion and overwhelm. So these weekly check-ins and calls helps focus on the process. And having me in your corner to stay objective when things feel overwhelming keeps you accountable and feeling confident. I feel so grateful every single day that I get to help high-achieving women look and feel their best. And the craziest part is I can do this from anywhere. I've done check-ins here in my home, I've done them in the mountains of Banff, and I've done them on a beach in Mexico. And that is absolutely not something that I could have done while running a massage practice. This job gives me the flexibility to spend time with my family, spend time with my dog, and traveling all over while still getting to help people and make money. So if you're interested in working with me, there is a link in the description below to apply. And if you're watching this thinking that this is the coolest job in the world, because it is, and want to learn more about how to do what I do, that link is also in the description below.